Hello. Okay, so I thought I'd do a quick video just to show how important it is to get to know your face, your eyes, your everything. I'm going to be using the UKMA Unfiltered palette, and I'm going to be using, I'm literally obsessed with this palette at the moment. I'm going to be using I can't remember if I was going to use all 3 of these in the top corner or just 2. So we'll see how it goes. So when you follow a tutorial, that tutorial is basically there for a certain eye shape. It could be the same as yours, but it may not be. So I am trying to figure out how I used to do my eye makeup before, when I'd follow tutorials. So I've got like a big fluffy dome brush. I've got some crease type brushes. What's this one? A petite crease brush. Again, they're all kind of dome shaped. That looks as though it's like a blending brush. And that's again another crease brush. So we're going to see where we get, how we get on with this. So first of all, this is going to be, this palette is so pigmented. So we're going to go in with this blending brush, and we're going to go in with a green, because this would be a colour that you would put in the crease of your eye. So I am literally just, oh, it's so pigmented. Okay, so we're going to pop that, because again, I never use the right brushes. To be honest, I still kind of don't. Okay, so we're going to do circles. Do you know, it's really difficult trying to stop myself from doing my makeup how I do it now. Okay, so I'm going to, there's literally like a little bit of colour, not much. I'm just trying to make sure, because again, I wouldn't have gone for this kind of colour. Nope. Okay, so you put that all in the crease and then you kind of blend it where it is. I mean, blending, again, was never my strong point. I just kind of did this a bit and hope for the best. I'm gonna go for this one. So again, petite crease brush, and I'm not putting any extra product on. We're just working that straight into the crease. So if you look at your eye, that is where your eye crease is. So when they say about using putting a colour into the crease, that is basically what they mean. So I would follow tutorials by the book. You know, it's like, okay, put this colour in your crease. Okay, right, done. And then what I'm going to do is get a different brush. Doesn't really matter which one. I'm going to go in with the yellow. Clueless. It's like it's supposed to be a mustard yellow, but to be honest, it's super pigmented. I used this the other day. This is a palette that I only just got for Christmas, so I'm still kind of figuring out how to use it myself. But I know that the yellow, and there's two yellows in this palette. Again, I digress. So again, we would just kind of shove that yellow on, because you know we like a bright colour on the inner corner. Say inner corner, it kind of goes all the way across, but you know, whatever, it's fine. And then I'm going to go back in with that crease brush that's got the green. I am going to pop a bit more on, and just going to darken out that outer corner. So darkening that outer corner. Oh, where's that yellow? Maybe that yellow again. Pop a little bit more. So we've got our green in the crease. We have got our yellow on the inner to 2/3 of my eye, and the green on the outer edge. I am going to go underneath. I don't think I ever used to do this before, but maybe just a smidge more. So see how this beautiful, you've got a blend going, you've got the colour all nice in the crease, and then I open my eyes and it all disappears. So obviously that isn't something that I can do now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go in with that green again on the other eye, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to load up this brush, and we are going to pack that colour in and above the crease. Okay, so we are still packing that colour on. I always end up it always ends up at an angle. So you just go back in with a bit more product. Doesn't have to be loads. It doesn't have to be neat either. And then we are going to blend a smidge. So again, we are going to use the exact same colours, just in different ways. And I'm going to take one of the brushes that I used, which is a little bit fluffier, and just soften up that edge. Because I am super lazy, sometimes blending is not my thing, and I just try and find quick ways around it, while still sticking to how I do my makeup. And I do take my makeup higher. I want it to be seen, you know, so it doesn't have to be like wait till I look down or wait till my eyes are closed, wait till I blink. I want people to see that I've got makeup on. So that is a really quick, messy look. And then what I end up doing, I have recently just got the P. Louise mirror brushes, and I used this one this morning for the first time. It is really nice. This is the smallest of the three, and I just pop a bit of eyeshadow base on the back of my hand, and then pop it on, I'll pop the brush in it, and what we do, I need to keep opening and closing my eye. The idea of a cut crease is that you are creating eyelid space. This is the only bit that I really concentrate for. And because it is an eyeshadow base, you want to tap or pat that colour in, and that is how you set it. Okay. Set that. What you can do, obviously, if you've already put a base down, you can remove any excess, but just for kind of quickness I thought I would show you. Okay, so that is pretty much set, and we are going to go in with, if I can find the yellow. Okay, I'm going with that yellow again, same brush. I'm just putting a bit more on, okay? And what we're going to do is build the colour up. And I just want you to see the difference between the two eye shapes. So with this one, this is like a fresh new eyelid. Absolutely, you know, loads bigger than the first eye. Because you've created that illusion of a bigger eyelid, it gives you more space to work with. So I still have a bit of pigment on this brush from doing the crease, and we're going to pop some more on. Again, it is still only the two colours, and obviously you can build up. It's always easier to put less on and build up than it is to put too much on and try and take it away. So again, this is going to be messy, but I just wanted to kind of show you just the difference that it makes. And we'll just pop in that yellow so the two meet. You want to marry those two colours together. And I know that there are probably better techniques, but this is basically what I do. I just take a little bit more care. I just thought I'd try and show you. So it was nice and quick. Okay, so we're going to go in with that green under the eye. Let's see if I can do it out of shot. Is it out of shot? It is. Just about. And then the yellow. But as I say, this is only, I've only been able to do this through trial and error. So I have figured out what works for my eye shape. And I implore you to do the same. So there we go. It is quick, it is simple, but the difference between the two, obviously there is literally nothing up here. There is nothing going on. And whilst this might be messy, there is still colour going on. There is, you know, you bring it up if when you open your eyes and you look forwards, which is generally what we do as people, as humans, if there's no colour showing, then no one's going to be able to tell that you have spent time and effort, kind of putting work into your eye makeup. So I just thought I would do, as I say, just come on quickly and let you know that is what I do. And you do have to just figure out what works for you. So it will be a case of trying something. It may not work, it may look a bit rubbish, but at least you've tried it and you can move on to the next thing, and just see how high you like it. You might not want to take your colour as high as I do sometimes, which I generally take my colour up to my eyebrow. But, it's what works for you. And again, with a cut crease, I do fairly high cut creases where it's actually higher, a lot higher generally, than my natural crease, because I want people to see, what's going on and what I've spent time doing. So I hope that this helps you. I feel like I'm getting my mojo back, and I hope you've really enjoyed this. Please pop a like and a comment down below, and I can't wait for the next one. We'll see you soon. Bye.